If Slack is showing a network error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your workspace without wasting time. Network issues can happen for a lot of reasons, from a weak internet connection to a VPN conflict or even a browser cache problem. So the best approach is to check the simplest fixes first and then move down the list. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is check your internet speed. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a quick test to see if your connection is stable. If the speed is very slow or the connection is dropping, Slack may not be able to connect properly. In that case, try restarting your router or moving closer to your Wi-Fi source if possible. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Slack throws a network error, so this is always worth checking first. Next, try switching your network. If you're currently on the Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile hotspot. If you're on a hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. This helps you quickly figure out whether the problem is with your internet connection or with Slack itself. Sometimes a specific network blocks Slack traffic or has temporary issues, and changing networks can solve it in seconds. After switching, go back to Slack and see if it loads normally. If Slack still isn't working, the next simple fix is to refresh the page. Sometimes the app or browser session just gets stuck, and a quick refresh is enough to reconnect everything. If you're using Slack in your browser, click refresh or press the reload button. If you're using the desktop app, close the window and reopen it. This sounds basic, but it often fixes temporary network glitches. Now let's move on to another common cause, VPNs and proxies. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it temporarily and try Slack again. The same goes for any proxy service or network filter you may be using. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Slack's connection and trigger a network error even when your internet is working fine. After turning it off, wait a few seconds and then reload Slack to test the connection again. If none of that has worked so far, the next step is to clear your browser cache. This is especially useful if you use Slack in Chrome or another browser. To do this in Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then choose Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. From there, clear the cached images and files. You usually don't need to delete everything, just the cache is often enough. Once that's done, reopen Slack and sign in again if needed. Old cached files can sometimes conflict with Slack's latest connection data, so clearing them can fix the issue fast. After clearing your cache, give Slack another try. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem right away, but if you're still seeing the network error, it may help to combine a few fixes together. For example, switch networks, disable your VPN, and clear your cache all in one go. That increases your chances of resolving the issue without having to do anything complicated. To recap, the best order is, first check your internet speed, then switch networks, refresh Slack, disable your VPN or proxy, and finally clear your browser cache. These steps cover the most common causes of a Slack network error and are usually enough to get you back online quickly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Slack issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.